Hey guys, quick update here. Sorry I was absent last weekend. I spent the whole weekend pulling apart the carburetor from this beautiful beast. This weekend I'm going to be working a little bit on the fuel system. So far I've gotten the filler neck ready to go. This fuel tank is the original. It smells like it's the original fuel tank. It's awful. It's ungodly taking this off and smelling what wafts out of this, but I digress. So what I'm done so far, not sure how much you'll be able to see, but this is the fuel line. Oh boy, y'all probably can't see any of this. In any case, this is the fuel line that used to go all the way up to the fuel filter. Right now, of course, we do have our exterior fuel tank, I guess you would call it. So, you know, we are currently in the process of pulling that line from all up here and then dropping this tank. There's two straps, this one that goes underneath there, and then a second one that goes from up here, which you might not be able to see, to down underneath right here. So there is a drain plug, but I really don't want to do that to the environment, to have the fuel drain out of here. It's probably terrible, disgusting, rotten, been sitting for years and years and years. I don't feel great about doing that. So what I'm going to do is drop the tank, try not to spill it out of any of the, you know, potential places it could come out of, just to get it out, and probably just get rid of it one way or another. So yeah, that'll be the main objective today, is to get the fuel tank down. Something tells me I'm going to need to order a fuel tank. This fuel tank's probably junked. It's probably all, you know, solid and sludged in there, and I don't really want to put that into a nice new rebuilt carburetor. So yeah, that'll be the objective, and just a little look underneath this thing. Really not bad for the age. I mean, it's kind of, but overall not too bad. There's some mystery holes. Anybody wants to comment and tell me why they might have put a hole like this in the bottom of the truck, it escapes me. Also, we don't have a floor anymore. The frame is in gorgeous shape. This thing was in the South for much of its life. Apparently it was a town vehicle. So, you know, that could explain. Okay, so there she is, the old fuel tank. So, as you can see, fuel lines went to the top here. This is the, you know, the sending unit. There was a electrical connection here as well. All that ran towards the front of the truck up that way. This is the filler tube. So what I had to do was, there was, of course, you know, this hose with some clamps on it. The hose was really, really tough to get off. So with that side, just cut it. Here, I don't even want to show you guys this, but I had to cut all underneath and get that all taken care of. And then this slid out through the where you actually fill it up from. And then the two straps were about here and there. So the trick was to get it where it was attached up to the frame and disconnected there. There was also the world's biggest spider that was just chilling out on this, so I kind of freaked out. Don't mind spiders, but that one was just in a very inconvenient place, with my face lodged up in between the drive shaft and the exhaust. So it's out. This is huge. It's full. Let's see if you can hear that. It's full of something. It's probably gasoline, but it is probably no good. So next step is going to be checking out the inside, seeing if this tank is junk. Honestly, it doesn't look all that bad. It's got some surface rust, but beyond that, I don't know. It ain't bad. Sending unit, of course, I'll probably just replace that for good measure. But this is huge. Very happy to have this out. Very happy to have no spiders, as far as I can tell, on me. So, big steps, big steps.